Hey everybody, in this video got a Sesamee 936 series round body hardened steel padlock, and so I got anti-pick and anti-bump cylinder technology actually included in it, which it's interesting. It's actually included, and according to the website, it has an American keyway in it. So it's the first time I've ever played with one of these, so let's see. Let me get it open here. Yeah, it's real heavy lock, like the American 700s or the Natural Lock, the Pro Series ones. It feels like those, pretty heavy. And to get it open here, I'm going to be using a Sparrow's 40,000 pry bar. I'm going to use way too much tension. I'm aggravated, and I'm going to use a right-hand hook here. Yeah, I bought this lock yesterday and never got a chance to mess with it yesterday, and I just shot pool all night. Got my ass handed to me. And when you're frustrated, a good thing to do is little small stuff like this that takes a little bit of patience, finesse, and dexterity or whatever. Which is all things you've got plenty of when you're aggravated. So we just had a false set there. Hit something and lost it. There we go. So, about 3 minutes. And, yeah, it's the technology, anti-pick technology one would expect in a Sesamee lock here. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and gut it. Okay, so yeah, it's like the American actuator and all that. And our key here. Yeah, it's nice and greasy. At least it's clean grease anyway, so this thing's brand new. I'm looking for my clip removal tool here. And pop this off. There we go. Okay. Oh wow, look at that. I'll show you in a second. I want to screw that up here. And he's my American follower. Maybe. Let me try Master Lock follower. Always fun playing with new stuff. There we go. Okay, so, oh shit, just dumped the friggin' key pins out. 3 of them anyway. So, this is actually numbered here, so pin 1 is a 1, which is gotta be that little baby pin. And these are actually steel, so these are probably the first. Well, no, that's gonna be 7 right there, because it's longer than that. It should be 5. And if you wanted to upgrade to your 6th pin, there's your hole for that. So it looks like on the bottom pins here, we've actually got 3 serrated and 2 that aren't. We'll take a closer look at those in a second. And then as far as our drivers go, shoot, okay, so number 1 is actually just standard. Number 2, I don't know, it's got some, like, I don't know what that is. I'm not going to call it serrated. It's kind of fat in the middle and skinnier on the ends, but I don't know. Number 3. So 3 is a spool. There's the spring for 3. Where the hell did the pin go? Must have fell back in the hole. Okay, so this one was oh, there it is. So that was number 3. That's going to be 4 and then 5. Okay. I think the springs are a little bit different. Sorry, I'm not sure which ones these came out of, but some of the can like. Alright, well, I dropped one of the springs here. So I would assume they all had springs, and I don't see any spring in the Bible here. Anyway, so on pins we've got yeah, the chamber 1, they're both standard. Number 2, the bottom pin is serrated, and the top pin it isn't a standard pin, but I'm not sure what that is. And then number 3 is serrated, and then the driver's a spool. 4 is a standard bottom pin, and the driver's a spool. And then number 5 is another serrated driver key pin, and then the top pin is a spool. So I don't know where the hell that spring went for the other chamber. I imagine it had to have had one. But anyway, so that's a Sesamee padlock. Oh, there's the other spring. Okay. Okay, so all is right with the world now. Alright, so there we go. So it's Sesamee padlock, single pin picked and gutted. And I'm going to give this one a dislike because it ran a little bit long. And subscribe because why not? And well, I will talk to everybody later.